What's up, everyone? Today we're going trout fishing with my buddy Gus out on my cousin's property. Gonna try and do a catch and cook. As long as the rain's not too bad, I'll get a fire going on the river, and we'll cook up some hot dogs at least, and hopefully catch some trout to cook. So it'll be a blessed day. The rain has been going the last 12 or so hours. We had a storm pass through, so hopefully the water looks good. If it doesn't, we're gonna have to go up, probably Quartzville or something. So just enjoying this beautiful fire right here, and our goal is to get a catch and cook, catch some trout, maybe a steelhead, maybe some other surprises. We'll see. So stay tuned, and thank you for joining me. Have a blessed day. Get a fire going, stay warm. We're waiting on Gus to get here. We don't know if it's good enough to fish yet. We got some rain last night, a storm passed through, but we're hoping it's all good. We can do some fishing. Got a good geese are up. Found a nice stick, so I made a little hot dog roaster out of it. Might be too early. I know it starts around April, but we're gonna go check the apple trees and stuff for some morels before we go home once the sun comes up later. Gus already saw a trout jumping right over there. This is our home base. We might get a fire going right here, and then this is a nice little embankment if we need to land a big fish or anything like that. It's kind of cool. Current's creating a boat wake, crashing against the current coming in. Fish jumping. See if we can't get it. Gus got one. Nice, brother.
Freaking second cast.
All right, y'all, let's go. They can't come. Oh, that was a big bite. Gus just caught a trout on the flying sea. Dang it. Had another bite.
You did?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude, he hit it on the surface. That's hilarious. I wonder if the GoPro got that. Oh my gosh, dude, he hit it on the freaking right up here. He followed it up and hit it like on the surface. Got him. All right, guys, we're bobber dogging. My buddy Jake, he runs the channel Hitch by Hitch, gave me this sweet setup. Awesome guy. All right, guys, try and catch a steelhead. We're gonna mess around with this. I'm still trying to learn this technique, so we're just gonna have fun with it, and anything good happens, then I'll be stoked. All right, guys, try this bead setup, see what happens. Dude, I got a trout on it. I got a trout on the... bobber dog, first fish. Whoa, jumping. Let's go, baby. Nice trout, too. Came right off. Like, yeah, got ourselves a hatchery trout to eat later on the bead. I think they're having a hard time eating that worm I was using. I was using a fly worm with a weight, trying to get it down there, and I was getting tons of hits, but I wasn't actually hooking up, so we'll see. Hopefully we can just keep hitting this. This has been a great morning so far. Sun's coming up. Probably get a fire going soon. Catch a few more fish. Got another one. Another trout on the bead. Dang, I got this one in the gill. Yeah, in the gill. He's not gonna live. That sucks. Yep, that one's gonna die. All right, guys, I just got a big bobber down on the bead. Sorry, guys, I wasn't filming. Got a good rainbow. Hopefully it's a... Yep, another hatchery. Nice. Another hatchery. Smoke that bead.
No, God!
Set up here, guys. Whoa, that one got clear out of the water, hitting those flies. Got him. It's a decent one. Got him. Well, that's a decent one. Hatchery. That's 8-inch. Came off too.
Danny, this is so cool, dude.
This is rad, huh? That's how I clean a trout. Go right behind its head. Just get all that stuff out. This is their kidney, not their spleen. You're good, bro. I'll get my thumb in there and knock off the scales just so the seasonings and the Oil sticks on it good. Get that slimy coat off. Ready to eat. But, oh, crawdads.
Really? Crawdads?
Yep. Or no, those look like maybe the dragonfly larva.
I got some.
Gonna put some seasoning, some salt on these babies. Gus is getting his ready. He's gonna pan fry his bit.
So good and tasty.
I'm gonna roast some of these too. Well, it wouldn't be Oregon without some rain, y'all. Ew. Oh yeah, season cooked this. Mm-hmm.
Good, right?
Yep. Oh my gosh. That Louisiana seasoning's great.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. As you can tell, it started raining on us. Gonna try this. Season cooked his. Amazing. That is some good fish, man. I tell you what. Fried up in his little camp stove. I oven roast or fire roasted mine. We're gonna try that and then get on out of here before we cook it. Try and get oven roast or fire roasted trout. Keep saying oven roasted.
Can I try yours?
Yeah, bro. It doesn't have as much flavor as yours. Those onions are good too. The ones that aren't crazy cooked.
Lemon really gave it that extra.
That lime? Yep, that's good. That citrus always carries food, man. Onions. All right, y'all, we're finishing up. Starting to rain on us pretty good, so we're gonna get out of here. We were gonna eat some hot dogs, but we ate a bunch of fish. Gus fried up some, that was great, and then I roasted some. It tasted really good. We could have kept catching fish, but we wanted to enjoy other things too, so we just started cooking and hanging out, and then the rain came, so we're gonna take off. So it was a blessed trip. We had a lot of fun. Good times out here on the property. Can't wait for the summer when it's a little lower. We can get into more fish. No steelhead. I caught 2 fish on the bobber dog setup, which was cool. It was fun to watch those bobbers sink and then messing with it, trying to dial it in. So blessed trip. Thank you guys if you made it this far, and thank you for all your support always, and have a blessed rest of your weekend. Well, we changed our mind, y'all. We're having a second course. Bet it.
I know you got a boat, though. Pretty good.
Oregon life, baby. Fish and hot dogs on a rainy river.